Good morning, guys. Back from West Virginia, stopped by Harbor Freight, picked up this Badland off-road jack, 3-ton. Some of you may have seen it online, some of you may have not. So we thought we'd do a little review and unboxing of it and put it together. This thing's pretty cool because it can go up to, what is it, 21 maximum lift height. And as you know, some of our ATVs and off-road vehicles need that extra height to lift it. Just makes it that much easier not having to put a wooden block and all that other stuff. So let's get it open. Let's see what's inside and what it takes to put together. It's still sealed, so this is, I'm seeing it first time as well as you guys. So let's see what we got. Oh, look at that shiny wheel. These are nice rubber wheels. We'll see. Nice high quality. Got a bag of hardware here. A couple more wheels. Another probably lifting block. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Look at that. Look at that fancy doodad. It doesn't look like it needs too much to put it together. A couple lock nuts, I assume those are for the wheels. Some washers. And these things, I may need to see where those things go. But let me go to the toolbox and see if I can get a different type of wrench for this. Got my helper here behind the camera. He's silent here, but maybe he can introduce himself and not just be so quiet.
Eric's doing a good job here. I just leave him to it.
It's like you don't want to scratch it. Let's see if that'll hold it or collapse. Oh, there you go. Got some nice handle here. Not rubber, metal, but that's really nice. Good quality. Another extension. Oh wait, this one got a little foam on it. Nice Badlands. A little bit of foam there. Very nice. Very nice. Big wheels on the back, little ones on the front, I presume. Look at that. I have them on the right side. They're the same both sides. Slide. Everybody likes a nice new toy for the garage, eh? You gotta put a washer on there first. Probably a washer first. We need to read the instructions. Oh, it looks like that. Like that. Looks like nice quality nuts here. It's got the nylock there, so these wheels. No, oh, these ones got the little. I think I'm gonna flip those around. Let's flip them around. There we go. There were just some casting dots on there, so I thought, oh, let's put them on the inside. hold that one. That's tight. All right, well, we may need to look at the instructions to see where these two things go, because I have no idea. Looks like this goes in this piece, and that you're gonna set it up. Guess you can set your height, what you're good at. Probably for the razor, you need it up 2 holes. Go this and that. No, this is other contraption. I don't see it in the picture. Where does this one go?
What are you giving me the instructions for? I just go to the big drawing on the back here.
Well, I did go to the picture and I couldn't see where that was.
It's right there.
Yeah, but where does it go? And what's it for? The handle? Oh, I usually go by the pictures. This screws into 2 spots. Safety valve, do not adjust.
There's your Allen wrench.
Oh, for that. Oh, look at that. They give you the Allen wrench for this, so I can tighten this down. Figure out where this
goes in these 2 holes right in here. Move the book.
Oh, yes it does. I would assume, oh, probably for the handle, right? Only goes one way. Won't fit the other way. It's got to go like that. Do they give you a tool for this one? Probably not. I need to get a little. That's probably to hold the handle or something down.
To hold this in there.
Oh, like an accessory holder or whatever.
I think it clips in here and then this threads into it. The bottom of it, hold it.
Oh, just for storage?
Yes, when you don't have it on there.
When you don't need it.
Yeah.
And I don't think you have to fill it up with any oil or anything. I think she's just good to go after this. This is very high quality.
Where's that piece?
So this piece.
Look through the bottom of it. There's a bolt hole in the bottom of it? Yes. So then you take this here, you open it up, drop that in there. Yep.
Oh, and there's two little.
The bolt on the side there.
See, there's 2 little notches for it that fit these in. They thought of everything, eh?
That is.
Like this, and then this goes like this. That screws in nice and tight. Because if you don't need this piece all the time, then you just leave it there, and it's
always there and ready to go.
And nice and tight, ready to go. Don't forget your tool. You really have everything here. You can also use this for the car. This obviously in its current state won't fit unless you have a truck or something, but if you have a car or something, it's not going to obviously fit like this. But from what I understand is you just take this extension plate off. Now you can use it just flat like this. So that's, I don't know how tall that is, but that should be able to slide under most cars. Off this box.
What are we going to jack up with it?
That's a great question. I'm going to have to take it over to the razor and see how it jacks it up. Does this screw into it? It's like a socket, I think. There you go. And then you can move it around like this, way easier. Doesn't make a hell of a lot of noise. And then there she goes up. Yeah. Got a little golf cart here. Oh, wait. I think we got too much height here.
Pump it, pump it, pump it.
The water and leaking under there. So does it click and lock in like the old school does? Like it's, you know, like in case hydraulics fail? I don't know. Well guys, that's Badland 3-ton off-road jack.
Always got to pay attention to the background of the videos. There's always a sideshow going on.
You never know who's gonna pop in and out. I like it. Works really well. High quality, nicely built. I'm happy. I'm going from that, and this is what I used to have. This little bad boy here. That's what I used to have. Old school. She did the job. Needed a few little bricks and blocks, but it was a little bit sketchy. So happy to try this one out and use this one.
You gotta lower it down and pull it out.
Well, okay, hold on, wait a second. Boom. I like it's quiet, eh? Like I like that it's quiet. You don't hear it, doesn't make a lot of noise. Put this down and you can move it around. Go like this. That's it, I can just park it anywhere I want. There it is. Another toy for the garage. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. Don't make fun of me in my installation, but I did my best.
Eric's going to jack off now.
Leave me in my jack. I'm going to jack off. Oh.